If you've ever experienced a sore throat or hoarseness in your voice, you might have laryngitis. Today, we'll share some essential do's and don'ts for dealing with laryngitis. First, let's start with the do's. 1. Keep yourself well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. 2. Prioritize vocal rest to allow your vocal cords to heal if you are a constant talker. 3. Create a humid environment using a humidifier, especially in dry conditions. 4. Gargle with a warm, saltwater solution to soothe your throat. Now, let's move on to the don'ts. 1. Avoid speaking loudly or whispering, as it can strain your vocal cords and worsen laryngitis. 2. Stay away from smoking or spending time in smoky and dusty places, as they can aggravate the condition. 3. Refrain from consuming excessive caffeine or alcohol, which can lead to dehydration. 4. Resist the urge to clear your throat frequently, as it can irritate your vocal cords. Was it helpful? Follow the Healthy Info Do's and Don'ts series to know more.